guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys, to any of you having a Ford C-Max. If you have a Ford C-Max with heated seats and they do not work and you're trying to find, guys, where the fuse is located for the heated seats, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. That should work on Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So you guys actually have three different fuse boxes. One is under the hood, one is inside behind the dash, kind of like underneath the glove box. We have a video that explains all that if you need to find the fuse boxes on Ford C-Max. And then we need to open the trunk, and in the trunk, okay, you actually have one more fuse box. Let me show you where it's located. You come right here to the corner. Okay, I have this cover removed, you can see. Okay, right there, you just grab it, pull it out, and that's where, okay, the fuses are located. That's a third fuse box. And the fuse, guys, that we need to check now, okay, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it will be the sixth. Okay, now right here, guys, it will be the sixth fuse on the left side from bottom. Even if you're missing, you're still counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fuse and 7th fuse. That's fuse number 34 and fuse number 35. The fuse numbers are printed right here, a little bit hard to see, but you can actually notice them. But these 20M fuses, those are for the heated seats. The bottom one, this one, 34, is for the driver heated seat. This is for the passenger heated seat. If you need to test a fuse, okay, or you don't know how to do that, or a relay, I'll put a link to a video that explains that in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.